My name is Peter Hickman. I race in the British Superbike Championship, probably more well known for being the fastest ever rider at the Isle of Man TT. I'm importing the Ohvale motorcycles, the GP-0s, into the UK. My friend Brandon Cretu is the US importer, and he brought a couple of bikes down for us to have a little play on while I was out in Texas. I rode one, I couldn't believe how good it was. Took it on in November 2019 and it's already grown quite massively straight away, which I'm really obviously pleased about. The whole point of the championship is to bring on young, new British talent into the British Talent Cup or into the British Superbike Championship and hopefully become world champions one day.
My name is Zack Weston. I'm 11 years old and I've ride bike number 35 in the Ohvale 110 Cup. My favourite rider is Mark Marquez and one day I want to ride like him.
I'm Harley. I'm 11. I'm from Halifax and I ride in the Ohvale Cup. I qualified pole, race one's up next, so I want to win that.
I'm Daniel. I ride with the Ohvale Cup and I've been riding for about 2 years. I'm number 11 and I've qualified 8. My dad's my hero because he buys all the bikes and buys all the bits.
My name's George and I'm 11 years old and I race in the Ohvale Cup. I've been riding since 2018, but this is the start of the proper racing bikes.
My name is Ralph Croft and I'm 11 years old. I race in the British mini bikes Ohvale Cup. My idol is Peter Hickman. Peter Hickman is here this weekend for rider coaching and he's also riding as well. And this morning he was teaching me where to brake and he was telling me where I was going wrong.
I don't really see myself as a hero as such, but obviously quite a few of the riders here and also even the dads and the parents and stuff. Yeah, I think they quite enjoy having someone, you know, of my caliber rider, if you like, here, and also helping the kids. You know, I've been giving them a little bit of tips and instructions. I did a track walk with them on Friday evening after the practices, just to try and help them out a little bit. A great opportunity that I thought, you know, to actually get some kids in the UK on a proper bike, on a proper race motorcycle that's not a Chinese pit bike, and yeah, actually have some fun, learn some racecraft, and yeah, enjoy themselves. We've got 14 riders on the grid. We should have 15, but Kobe unfortunately broke his collarbone last week. But the aim by the end of the year was to have 15 riders. So to have 15 at round one, yeah, I'm really ecstatic about it, you know. And there's 3 classes that we can run, but we're only running the one junior class at the minute, which is the 110 Cup. Eventually that will hopefully turn into the 160 and also then the 190 as well. So they'll have a real progression all the way through the ranks and really get them ready for a Moto3 bike at the end of it.